If you want to know how to flip an image in Pixlr, whether you want to flip the entire canvas or just one specific layer, you're in the right place. In this quick Pixlr tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps so you can mirror your image horizontally or turn it vertically in just a few clicks. This is super useful for fixing composition, creating a mirrored effect, or adjusting a single object without changing the whole design. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure your project is already open in Pixlr. Once you're inside your workspace, you need to decide whether you want to flip the whole image or just one layer. Let's start with the easiest method, which is flipping the entire canvas. At the top menu bar, click Image. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, hover over Canvas Rotation. You'll see a few options related to rotating and flipping your project. To mirror everything in your design from left to right, click Flip Horizontal. If you want to turn the entire image upside down, click Flip Vertical. As soon as you click one of these options, Pixlr will apply the change to the whole canvas instantly. This is the best option if you want to flip the entire composition, including all layers, text, and elements together. It's fast, simple, and perfect when you want the whole design to mirror as one complete image. Now, if you only want to flip a specific layer instead of the entire project, Pixlr gives you another easy method. On the left toolbar, click the Arrange tool. If you prefer, you can also press V on your keyboard to activate it quickly. Then click the image on the canvas that you want to flip. This will select that layer. Once the layer is selected, look at the top contextual menu bar. You'll see flip icons near the layer, size input boxes. Click Flip Horizontal if you want to mirror that layer from left to right. Click Flip Vertical if you want to turn that layer upside down. This is the best method when you only want to change one image or object while keeping the rest of your design exactly the same. There's also another way to do it if you prefer using the main menu. After selecting your layer, click Edit from the top menu, then hover over Transform. In that sub-menu, choose the flip option you want, either horizontal or vertical. This gives you the same result and can feel easier if you like working from the menu bar instead of the toolbar. So just to recap, if you want to flip everything in the project, use Image, then Canvas Rotation, then choose Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. If you only want to flip one layer, select it with the Arrange tool and use the flip controls in the top bar, or go through Edit, Transform, and choose your flip option there. And that's how to flip an image in Pixlr. It only takes a moment once you know where the settings are. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.